And it seems that my little glass vase did stood the water test. It is completely sealed up. I have let it with water inside overnight and it didn't leak at all. I have put some toilet paper around to see if any drop of water is absorbed by it, and it is completely dried, so that is nice. Now because this was the first time I was actually building a glass vase, you can actually see that the margins from the silicones are quite rough, because I should have put a tape that only allows me, for example, my glass is 3 millimeters thick, so I should have had only 6 millimeters next to it to put silicone, but I didn't do that. I completely forgot, but you should. And also I have made a mistake when I have gave to the man who cut my glass. I gave him the wrong size for the bottom part, so you can see that two of them I have just make them stand upwards, but the other ones I had to put them on top of the actually bottom of the glass vase, so that is a bit different, but it seems that is completely sealed up, so that is nice. I don't know what else to show you right now. I need to buy some solvent and try to remove some silicone from the outside of the glass vase, but that is only for aesthetics and because I want to actually paint this glass vase, so we will see how that will work. Now that I have soaked my pretty orchid in this water, I can drain it out and put it where she will be in purpose of for display purposes, and yeah, then we will see exactly on which window she will sit, but she will receive the maximum sunlight that she can take. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped you, and if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit that bell, that notification button, to receive notifications when I upload something new. We can see that lately I am trying to post more and more videos. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!